Hello friends, welcome to Let's Tune. Looking at these images, can you guess what is common in all these? Yes friends, distractions. It is a human tendency that while doing one thing, our mind simultaneously crave for other things. But it is fine for other times. But when it's exam time, then this can be very dangerous for you. Yes friends, if you want to score good marks in the exam, then you will have to avoid distractions while studying. Now what is distraction and what are the different ways to avoid such distractions? So friends, you need not have to worry at all, as in today's session we are going to give you 5 important yet effective ways to avoid distractions which would eventually help you to score the highest in your exams. Before directly jumping on the tip, let's first understand what exactly is distraction. A distraction is something that takes your attention away from what you are supposed to be doing. Study distractions can either be internal or external. Internal study distractions include psychological needs and emotional thoughts. External study distractions include technology and people. So how will one avoid these distractions? So let's start with our tips. Our first step is prepare yourself. The very first step is prepare yourself, for which you will require a timetable, and make sure that you have kept sufficient amount of time for other activities too. This way your mind will know that this time is the study time, and try to follow this timetable daily so that your mind and body will get used to it. The next important tip is stay away from smartphones. In the current world, usage of smartphone has been increased rapidly. So what you can do is put your phone on silent mode and place it at the other end of the room. This way, you won't be interrupted by phone calls or text messages while you're studying. You can also give it to your mom or dad, as they can surely keep you away from it, isn't it? To avoid smartphone cravings, you can always check your phone in every 30 or 45 minutes when you take a break, if it is that much necessary. Turn off your internet access. You might intend to use computer for work, but you can easily find yourself on Facebook or YouTube instead. When you are using your computer, the World Wide Web is literally just a click away. Don't trust yourself to resist that temptation. Turn off your internet access before you begin your study session. If you need to access certain online resources, then download all of the necessary information at the start of your session before you turn off your internet access. Try to avoid people who annoy or disturb you. At the time of your studies, you always need to avoid the people who annoy or disturb you. Such people might include annoying neighbors, a few disturbing friends, your relatives, etc. What you can do is sit at a quiet place where you cannot hear any outside voice, or you can tell your family members not to disturb you while studying. Deal with hunger first. Yes friends, first you heard it right. Sometimes students just can't concentrate because of physical needs such as hunger or fatigue. Make sure you serve a healthy and filling during lunch, dinner or snack break. To manage your exams, you will need to eat well. This does not mean a lot, but a well-balanced diet that is reasonably healthy. Do not be tempted to skip meals or survive on chips or pizza for fortnight. Your body and your mind will not thank you for it, and you will find it harder to work. You may even make yourself ill. Next, get 8 hours of sleep every night. Sleep is vital if you want to perform well academically. It is an established scientific fact that sleep affects your memory, concentration and brain function. If you are not sleeping enough, you are not setting yourself up for the success in your student life. When you are sleep deprived, you will also be easily distracted. Here are some ways to help you get bed earlier. Have a nightly bedtime routine. Read some interesting books before going to sleep. Don't drink caffeine after 3 p.m. Go to bed at the same time every day. And at last friends, there are always exceptions in life. So there may be students who might not get first in their class or score well in the exam. Getting first is not important. Important is that you gave your 100%. As we all know, there are no secrets to success. It is a result of preparation, hard work and learning from failure. We hope that you guys found these tips very useful. If you have any queries or doubts, you can just write it down in the comment section given below. And yes friends, don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss an update from us. Until next time, keep watching, keep learning. Thank you.